Hi folks, remember me? I'm that rather disillusioned guy that's trying to restore, excuse me, 70-year-old Halverson. But I'm back. I have been doing some work behind the scenes that I haven't been filming. As you've seen from countless previous episodes, I've lost count now. I'm working honestly on the hatch. So today it's all about painting today. So as I said, today is final sort of painting bits, maybe one or two more episodes to go on that, but get that hatch back on, seal over the helm because there has been a bit of leakage around there whilst I've just got a temporary sheet of plywood on top. And then also start painting the rafters, or the joists, rafters, the framework, ribs, whatever you want to call them, up here. Yeah, I've lost a few subscribers and I don't blame them for leaving, because you're not going to be just in a channel that you see a post every 3 months or something, if not longer. So if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed, please do, and let's see if I can't get the numbers back up. And also comment. You know, I'm looking for lots of feedback, critical or otherwise. And yeah, so that's the plan. And beautiful day. And there's a jet coming overhead, which pretty much always happens when I try and do a video. So that's the plan. So let's crack on.
you tell me so? I'll get my trunk and my clothes, and out your door I'll go. Now tell me, baby, what you think of me. Well, now tell me, baby.
In case you're wondering, why I haven't, not sure if I mentioned this, why I haven't masked the roof, because I'm not going to stain it. Timber's, although it's solid, it's not rotted, but it's just really badly stained, and trying to get a nice varnish finish, stained finish on there is going to be nigh impossible. But on top of that, by painting the ceiling white, it's going to brighten up and lighten up the cabin. So I don't know, I've seen Halversons painted, in fact I've seen Halversons with the entire interior painted. So I don't think I'm going against any traditions or accepted decorative choices. So I will sand back the ceiling obviously and tidy it up, but it's going to get a coat of paint.